In the complex world of network management, simplifying your Syslog deployments is key to efficiency. Introducing Syslog Junction, the ultimate solution for streamlined Syslog management. Syslog Junction redefines simplicity. With just one IP address, you can set a Syslog destination, effortlessly forwarding or canceling forwarding from a single node. But that's just the beginning. Syslog Junction offers you increased visibility of all your Syslog sending nodes. Incorporate more Syslog receivers into your monitoring strategy, ensuring no data slips through the cracks, especially designed for MSPs and remote offices, and IT teams looking to eliminate risky WMI and SNMP polling. Whether it's from a network device or any other Syslog source, the data is efficiently sent to Syslog Junction. From there, it's forwarded to other Syslog receivers, ensuring complete integration and connectivity. Syslog Junction, simplifying your Syslog deployments, enhancing visibility, and connecting your network like never before. Join the revolution of efficient network management today.